Hey. Hey, studier.
Yeah.
You studying hard?
Yeah.
Yeah, you are.
What?
Does your hand hurt?
Yes.
Just a bit or a lot? Look at all these papers that you've done. Ridiculous. Look at all the papers I've done so far. That one and like this. You have a bit of a head start on me though.
Yeah, and I've made study notes throughout the course.
Yeah.
So.
Well, I do have study notes from our first test of economics, but those are at my house because I forgot to bring them. So I'm remaking study notes. So, yeah. It's gonna be a long day. Long day of economics.
Of never-ending studying.
Oh well, it's gotta get done. Morning.
So I have finished writing all of my study notes and going through them. This has chapters 1, 2, 3, 7, and 8. And this is from the first test. And it also has the first test at the back of it, as well as 2 assignments that deal with the formulas in it. Second one here has chapters 9, 10, and 11, and the second test, and a worksheet that has formulas and stuff in it. This one has chapter 12 and 13, which is the last little bit that we did. This has the extra important information, because we went through, he's like, each chapter and just said everything. And then after that, he picked up the exam and he went through it and he said some things that were extra important. So that's there. These are the formulas I need to memorize, all 6 of them. And as well as things underneath, if there's a formula to get something in the formula. And those are the study notes that we had to work on. And Sean's still studying.
I'm writing my own study notes.
For once.
Oh.
What?
It is true.
It's true.
I feel bad just because
I'm
she's
studious.
like an expert study note taker and all this stuff, and I'm kind of not. But then when we go to study together,
I have study notes.
she has all this stuff, and I don't want to just mooch off of her.
It's how I study. I would have done it with or without you, so it doesn't really matter.
But
and
I feel bad. I feel like I'm...
With you there, you get to quiz me, and that helps me study a lot more when he takes all my notes, reads through them, and asks me questions, and I have to answer everything from it, and then I just memorize it all almost.
Yeah.
But it just gets stuck in my head.
Yeah, but I just feel like I'm being a...
Mooch?
Yeah.
I don't think you are, so...
Well, as long as you don't think I am, I guess that's okay then.
No, I don't. I do it anyway. It helps when we study together. Like, and it's not like you don't help with other things.
That's true.
So, I don't really mind.
Okay, maybe I'll stop writing. Because I just started chapter 8. And that's like almost halfway.
Yeah. But there's not a lot of stuff from each chapter.
Yeah.
You're going to have the jot notes versions. I'm going to have really full stuff. Because I'm using stuff from before.
Yeah.
Those 2.
Yours go really in depth.
Which could be good, could be bad. Might not ask as in-depth questions.
Yeah.
Because it's the exam, but...
Might as well know it all if we can. If
yeah.
we can get it all
into our head brains.
Study.
Yeah, but if you want to, if that'll help you at all, like up in the air if it will, you can keep going. I'll take a break.
Would you rather take a break or would you rather start going through stuff?
I'll take a break.
Okay. Well, then I'll get through at least through chapter 8, and then maybe I'll just be like, what?
Okay.
The other stuff. So.
Yeah, because I have it all, so it doesn't matter to me.
And I feel like chapter 8's a really hefty chapter, so, because that's all like the GDP and all that stuff.
So really, if you want to stop now. I have it all.
Okay.
And I'm willing to share. I don't mind at all.
Okay. I'm gonna be screwed for next year though. I'm not gonna have you. But it's fine, like I know how to do it. I just it's like when you have a safety net.
But you won't have me next year. So.
Exactly. But that's the thing is I could do it myself, but because I have you, I'm just kinda like there has been a lot of times in this year and this semester. Which I know is bad, but I've just kind of been like, I could write that down, or I could do that, but I know Lydia's gonna write it down.
Oh, I see.
So
maybe you should write your own study notes.
No, but it's not so much study notes, but anything
in class,
like writing down like a homework assignment or something, or put anything like in the agenda. I just like I could write that down, but I know Lydia.
You should at least know my name.
That's my other girlfriend.
Really? Get out of my house.
But I know Lydia is gonna write it down.
Yeah,
and will remind me more so than a piece of paper that if I wrote it down. Mm-hmm. So
you're gonna have to learn to use your agenda next year.
Yeah.
And have to write everything down, and you're not allowed to miss any classes because no one will help you.
What are you talking about? People will help me.
No.
I have lots of friends.
No.
Yes, I do. But then they'll think that I'm mooching off of them. They won't help me to the degree that you help me.
Also, you might not have the same classes.
Oh yeah, that's true. That would suck.
Yeah.
But having my accounting class without you has helped me like transition into being more independent. Oh, women independent. So I have like learned how to be a better student. But you helped me a lot first semester, and it's been a bit of a transition this semester.
And then it's going to be drastically different
next year in September.
We might not even have any classes together, but if we do, we'll make sure we
might have like one.
We might have one that we can switch in.
Yeah.
Because we'd have to like rearrange our schedules to get it together.
Yeah.
But yes.
Get it together. But yeah. Well, we'll figure something out.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know what? And we'll use your study notes, but we can take a little tiny break right now. I guess. Okay.
Yeah, a break would be good.
Break would be nice. How long have we been studying?
All day.
Yeah. Pretty much the last, like, what, 8 hours?
Yeah.
Approximately.
But, like, it's not like it's been straight through.
Yeah.
We've had breaks.
Mm-hmm.
And...
Not very long breaks, though.
And we've switched between who's asked questions.
Yeah.
And...
Yeah, Arthur, I know.
I just really want to get a good mark.
Well, yeah, it's an exam, and it's a lot of work. It's a lot of stuff to know.
Yeah, it's really... Gotta know it all, gotta know it all. We're gonna go to bed early, and I want to wake up early tomorrow. Like, early, even before the exam.
Well, yeah. Generally, I'd like to wake up before the exam.
Well, you know what I mean.
I
before the minimum amount.
I know.
That we have to get up.
You probably want to get to the school like an hour beforehand.
Well, I don't care when we get to school. We can get to school an hour beforehand. I want to wake up to be able to have an hour dedicated to going through it all again.
Oh, geez, so you want to get up at like 7?
Yeah, we're getting up at 7 a.m., mister.
Well, yes, you are.
You're getting up to...
Okay. I guess. I know it. You know it better than I do. But I still know it.
Yeah?
I really know the important stuff. Then there's some more of the more like super detailed stuff where I'm a little flaky on. Speaking of a little flaky, I actually didn't even mean to do that. Man, I think I haven't had one of those things since like, I don't know, my first year of college forever ago. They're not very good.
No, they're not.
But you want something.
Yeah.
What have we had to eat today? You had soup.
And you had...
I had corn.
Cream-style corn.
That's all I had to eat today.
And we had some chocolate. We shared a bag of chocolate.
Oh, yeah, we had chocolate. That was bad.
And
but it's Easter, so.
I'm eating a passion flaky right now.
Mm-hmm.
And
we should have actual food at some point, maybe. Time to hit the books. The books are hitting back. Time to hit the books.
Arthur doesn't like fighting.
I'm gonna squish your flaky.
No! I left all the good stuff! Ah! Ah! You would have died. I would have murdered you.
I know.
Oh my goodness.
Ooh.
No.
Foreshadow of this summer.
We're missing season 1.
Yeah. But still. Oh, Lydia. Sleepy, sleepy face.
Economics in my brain.
Everything
Peak,
is...
trough. This is contraction. This is expansion.
Everything is economics.
Long run trend of financial output. This is inflationary cap. This is recessionary cap.
Oh, all day. Economics. This is just
Non-stop.
non-stop. Economics.
But
we know
I have it really in my head now.
We do.
So tomorrow I'm gonna wake up and not remember anything.
Yeah.
And then do the same thing, except we only have a little bit of time and
Yeah.
not a lot of time. But hopefully it goes.
And sticks in there, yeah. So we just kind of need to chillax right now. It is a little late. We're gonna kind of try and go to sleep. We're tossing on a movie. We're tossing on Spirited Away, but we're most likely gonna fall asleep to it. But it was just because I don't know.
I need a mind-numbing activity, so I'm not really gonna watch the movie, but it'll be on.
It'll be there. Yeah.
And then I'm just falling asleep. That's what I want to happen.
Mm-hmm. So yeah, we're gonna fall asleep to a movie, and then wake up and study and do our economics exam.
When are we getting up? 6 a.m.? 6 a.m. sound good? 6 a.m.?
7.
7 a.m.?
Sometime after 6, before 7.
Okay.
Okay?
6:20.
Sure. Why not? Alright. Good night.
He's the champion. Yay! He's so cute.
He won. What did he win?
He won the Best Helper award.
He's like, no.
see.